Achoo. Ahem. Uncle? Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, sorry. Alhamdulillah.
When you praise Allah, you invite His mercy.
Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamukallah.